We'll show you how to delete apps on iPad with Parental Controls Enabled. All right, let's begin. I will show you the steps on an iPhone. Just follow the steps. It is same for an iPad. First, open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. On the Screen Time page, select Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter your Screen Time passcode to continue. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you'll see several options related to installing and deleting apps. Tap on Deleting Apps. By default, this option might be set to Don't Allow. Simply change it to Allow. Once you've done that, exit Settings. So that's basically how you can delete apps on iPad with Parental Controls Enabled. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.